Generally need some tape and patience. Just kidding. But I would suggest another tip. Hey everybody, Rapidly Refine, everything you need to refine your skills as a chalk painting artist. So today we're going to be applying a redesign with Prima furniture transfer. So we've been working on this vanity for a couple videos now. I've done a priming video with it and a blending video. And now comes the next step of applying this furniture transfer. I'm going to walk you through and along the way give you guys a few pro tips so you'll be able to put one of these on no problem with your furniture projects. So let's go ahead and get started.
These furniture transfers will come in a tube, so when laying them out to get a good look for your projects, here is what I find helpful. Since it's a bit rounded, I laid little weights to flatten it out so it's easier to work with. I give it about a half an hour and then begin working with my transfer. There's also a number grid that can help you measure the transfer in full or individual pieces.
Okay, so it has been a half hour and looking at this and looking at my piece, I thought, oh my goodness, I thought I would know where everything's gonna go by now, but no. So what helps is cutting it up, and it can be kind of intimidating to do that, but not to worry, I will help you out with that.
When you pick them up to cut them, sometimes the protective plastic wants to separate and expose the transfer. If this happens too much, it can complicate application, so make sure to hold it together gently while cutting. Also, because they can still have a curve to them, I'll again place them under a weight. This just ensures that they won't pop off so much when you're trying to figure out where you'd like everything to go.
And please remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on refining your skills as a chalk painting artist. Let's continue on with our project. We get to enjoy the lovely journey of figuring out where everything goes. You'll generally need some tape and patience. Just kidding. But I would suggest another tip is take pictures. If you really like where something is, take a picture of it. And then that way when you go to take everything down or you're taking things off and applying it, you have that as a reference. So that is really helpful when it comes to application. I kind of did this, so I'll show you kind of what I'm going to do on the other side, and then the fun part, applying it. Okay, I love this one. A boop. Oh, look at that perfect fit. Booyah. Yeah, so that has to go there, right? And now I know that this comes with a stick. I do not personally use a stick. I use an old credit card. After the transfer is on the furniture, you're going to see me go in with the lint-free rag and wipe it down. And so what I'm doing when I do that is I'm going to be taking out all the air bubbles. It's a term called burnishing. Okay, let's go.
Bright flashing by the street lights, keep waiting till you've arrived. Let it unfold, let it unfold. Give me a reason to feel right. I keep waiting for the morning light. I let him fall. Let him fall. You need to give me something I can't hold on to. I sleep through the night after all. Debate.
Right here, I got distracted by my doggie Athena and let go. And this is what happened.
Let it unfold. Let it unfold. You search
learning the importance of casually wiping versus pressing down with a cloth. Now I'm just dabbing out all the air bubbles very gently. Thankfully, by aligning the leftover flower piece and adding a few more flowers around the missing parts, I was able to correct this no problem.
Keep dancing the whole way. Keep dancing the whole way. It's easy to let go.
I like to seal it as fast as I can, just to get it done. If there are air bubbles underneath your furniture transfer, then it will lift up. So we're going to rub everything nice and smooth again with a soft cloth, and then I'm going to apply some water-based poly to this. Okay guys, we are all done. This turned out beautiful. So even though we had that hiccup, sometimes furniture transfers will do that. Other times they just go on really great. Like our whole entire project up until that point was going great. They make it very easy to correct these problems and come out with a beautiful piece of furniture. So I hope you guys liked the video. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on refining your skills as a chalk painting artist. I am on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, so come visit me and say hi. I'd love to hear from you. Also, leave me a comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to answer them for you. Until then, it was a pleasure doing this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.